pigs and birds cast in the breakfast. Alright, it's protective again, right? So we have the sense. And massive is a photocopy? Yeah, really short as this good, huh? There's no pigs in here. Alright, this day is gonna be good, I think. Yeah. Oh, guys, let me just a second. I'm gonna see how Dahlia is creating. Almost ready. It's just a more thing to. Hey, guys! Oh! What is this, the red? What is this you're making? Oh, we'll call it Portal. Portal again? Oh, what is this? No, you can't do this, Red. There's nothing happened. Portal, I'll spit. Listen. Guys, run. What? Oh my god. Oh, Rebecca. I did it. Yeah, we're dead. What I am. Dun dun dun. What the heck is it? You're actually me. You actually me. No, you actually me. No, you. You know what? We're actually me, the us. Oh my god, what is so that is dead? Oh my god. He is actually like a desperate. It's just not the actually this guy or this guy. Where are you? I am George. I am Boonsy. I am Bubbles. I am Hal. This is Can talk. I am Bob. And I am Bucky. What are you guys? We're prototypes. Wait, prototypes like a prototype. You know it, right? Yeah, they didn't like us. But what is prototype? Is it currently for anything you can have only seen about? So let me show you my new friends. What? Nothing piggy here. Hey guys! Huh? Oh, hi Red. What's it? What the? That's it. Wow. Oh, ouch. Ow. What the heck are you? Oh my god. What the heck? What is it? What are you lucky for? Guys, this is prototype. This is Bonesy. This is Hal. This is Earth. This is Bucky. This is Burl. This is Bubble. And this is George. This is prototypes. Wait, prototypes are prototype. You know it, right? Yeah, they are that. And then I get her to make sure Is it toys actually like you? Okay, let's see. Wait, he's actually like me. Let me see about. Wait a minute. He have a black birds a black person and my yellow and my he's not have a hair and I have a hair. And this is classic one. It's have a yellow beak and I have an orange. Hey, Barba, what do you do? At once at times I support I explode. Then I explode, but I explode a free. Wait, we're at Billy Dungeon? Where's Bubba? Where's the sun on under? I don't know, it's Bubbles. He's orange, but he's not here because it's alright. Okay, that's our horse. Wait, he's actually like me. Is it like he's great? Like me, man. You are not like me. I'm George, just a bit George. Hey, how? Why you have just a bigger beak and a little red on us? It's because I don't know it. And mine is some friends. Mine is black friends and yeah. And the black has friends. So now honey's aw man, he's not having my cat. Aw. Guys, attention, guys, attention. Let's go onto campfire and what his powers are. Alright guys, this is Slingshot. And this is a castle where we're enemies. The pigs. And what is go first? Me? Is I hear that? Oh, go Bucky. Oh god, he's like me. He's going super fast. Alright, there's a turn. Red construction. Alright, now go, George. Alright, it's not like art. It's just a sling. Yeah, a sling, you know it, yeah? Alright, right, is it? Okay. And... God. Ow. Alright, George is not have a power and it's like me. And I have a power as just a scream. Now next. Okay, to not get I got toss is just going there to this and go how to. And you can't call me how to. Who I call? Oh, he have a power of me. Does he have a turn? Alright, now go. Bomb. Alright. Here's my turn. You see my bird. And now let's go. It's have a word paladin. Ta-da. Alright, next. Alright, and now go. Wait a minute. Oh, he's have a jump and the double jump is having it to go boom and go up again. Oh my god, this man. Next. Alright, go, Burbo. Alright. Alright, the bubble is like a magnet of bubble. And next, last. The last one is gonna be very, very long. A long is a ride. Oh, boing, boing, boing. The power of Bunsey is not so adorable, but it is so hard. Now, the family of Angry Birds is going big in 2 days. A few moments later, ha ha! Eureka! Hey Pig, did you know that I see that island is actually starting you? Yeah, actually, so Tata. Here, Hanson. So, when are you really sure you're gonna post this? Really sure about that. It is this guy that I know. Okay, is this the day? Oh, Redactors, this take a tat. I rather. Oh my god. Why you on the screenshot this doesn't mean. Because to not have any phones. How are the phones? You want to test? I'm gonna borrow on this. Okay. So what do you want? It's just that we have a kid that's still at school. What is school? I'm not adult. Alright. So let's get off! Come on, Red. Let's go to the dark. Alright. Happy. Joy. 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 Ah! Happy. Joy. Happy. Joy. Happy. Ah! Yeah, that is what I got. The happy jump. Go. Joy. Happy. Joy. Happy. Joy. This is just a talk. Don't go on that. Oh, hi guys. Well, wait. And all the rest of the sides. And all it. And what? No, dolphin is a center. The door! I told her. A seat was stood to my school. And so check it out this. I read these in hands. I told you the school. Yeah. Now, guys. So, name what you want. Is a listing here? Oh. Okay. Teresa Pause. Alright. Okay. Is it just smaller heart? And then it's what? Now let's talk a choke. Choke, you know. Oh, did I put it form? Did I put it first? There's a panic that I'm in English 14 with the wild and little ponies. And then around this ice cream with it. Yeah, Mo, give me it. No, what is it? Boom. Is it all bananas? Is it all boys? Is it all boys? Is this all always? Oh. Is this all always? Is this all bananas? 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 You're right. Ah. Is this all bananas? Is this all bananas? Is this all bananas? Oh? Bunnies. Chuck, what do you think? Oh, no, bunnies. Oh, is it some bunnies? Oh, okay, stop. Now let's tell Bomb, what did you do? Oh, what did I say? Happy no to blow up. What does this do? It is like this. Know it? Dun, 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 dun. Surprise! Ah! Dun, dun, dun. Bam! Oh, excuse me. Boy fell. Bam! That's like this. Whoa! Again! Oh, no. It's like no. So, one that to use balloons is it's a birthday. And then, I can see again. No, a rhino, you're nuts. And now it's time for... What? You know what? Go. Ah! When? Okay, so name horse to this court that's stated May. What is just the polar? Okay. Now let's get Hunter next test. And now we're going to the ring of the anger to okay, and now it's time. Okay, I think so like this. Okay, so all right, got it. Okay. Oh. Terrence, you looking good. Alright. And now, order, credit, hot tea, prato, ported, repeated, and of course, downward tap. Oh? What the? I can't control the dirt. Okay, but just a small one instead of hard. Water bomb. Bomb. I don't care here. Yep. What the heck is that butt explosion? Oh, is this if a path here frowns? And it really got sweaters. Oh, and no joke is a pulse of life. And I would for you hold her and all the fastest in the whole right hand. Oh, is it worth it? It was. Oh, it's worth it. Nice. Oh, nice work, that artist. And then it will. No, hello. And no, not long. Can't talk about this. Okay. Now that I'm going to do a hard part today. I'm gonna do just the third one. Oh. And you can run to the right way. Or just get it hard wait for me. Wait till the day. So we're back again. And then so hold on. You can talk about oh. Ooh. And some horses. This guy is actually good. And the horse is gonna hurtful but and release. And the past is worth 100 all years. And or is a wrong. And onwards is on an idiot. And someone destroyed this. The Skinner. And now let's get it took that to a set. Excuse me guys, can I oh no. Is a toast like him to on the resistance. Hit this. Alright. Hey! The highway is coming! Oh, let's get it harder. Oh. Okay, very well cleared. Oh, come on, we have to go. We have to go. Two species. Hey. Hey. What the fuck? What the heck? Ladies and gentlemen, the sword on the road the turn and for the Lord and lost it. Oh God. Turn. Radiate the world of the pigs. We know are you the pig? Oh, you know. So I am a pig. Oh. What? Trying, sir. Okay. Oh, we're back. Give it to me. We gotta come again. Dum. So I am the turn. Wait for me. Oh. And I heard it starts with me. Goes and they here fast. And you know all the pigs. Catch it. Oh, they have this. Shut up. And then I got all around Willie's foot. So are you really sure about that? These are my fuzz. I am a winner. And you keep and then the kids there's more to cat turn. Oh. Ew, once it stop. Anyway. You gotta hug it. Yeah. Ah! It's just for the long time. You can't see me. Or then is it totally hard to put that? You can't talk this all the time. Let's take the whole bunch of pigs. Other Philippines. There's another nonsense turd. It can have been some Bravo. Bravo doesn't. Wait, you didn't made it. Bravo the Olympic against the Burgo? Yeah, actually. Come with me on the party. Let's go, guys. I don't think so. Guys. Don't worry yet. It's gonna fail on the pack. I'm completely broken. And all of the lot to the sides of the pigs. All the time. Okay, good. Excuse me. Okay. And one dead. Already to see on this. I'm really sure how. Yeah, the process. Even to our pulsar. And a wall. And a herd from the past. We will level ourselves. Oh, hell. You like it? Let's destroy it. Shut up, man. It's more perfect this time. And then after all this, a present to her and the curse a trampoline. Okay. And then sorry. And then the last horse here with the sun. The swing shot is fucked. Daddy gets it. We're no. Yeah, this is before. And then let's try on half of the car is a ball. And to start, he could fancy it. Give me that. And turns. Ready, fire! Oh no, this is gonna. Okay, and then I get to know a broad under here. Yeah! Yeah. What did that thing could have ran? Sticks is off. No. Choose the unders. Choose the under. No, her foot. Oh, what is wrong, Red? Go up there. Red. Aww. Red teeth. And the hearts. The red off the sphere. The red on the sphere. On the sphere. Alright, got the guy. Now, ready? Wait, wanna ready? Aim I. Wait, what aim I? And I always talk. Fire! This is gonna be heard. Oh, this is. Oh! Thank you for her. Oh god. Do you have for yourselves? No? Okay. Let's check out there. Let's go. What the heck is this? Oh. Oh, attack. What are you doing? I just in here to the word, right? Okay, right. No. This is Toy versus God of Blood. And then okay, let's get dinner. Okay, let's go. Good. Shh, get them doing the battle. Let's go on. Let me check how they. Oh. Ew. What is that in there? Oh, just the trampolines. Look at him. Whoa, what is that? Whoa. What are you doing? Is this try to looking up? Oh, why is it so fun? Whoa, ah! Mom. There's more stuff in here. Oh, that card. Oh, the shit. Look, it's just that I mean. Which means I have a plan. Continue.